Hello and welcome to another Wix tutorial by Profile Tree. Today we're going to be talking about Wix apps. So if you log into your Wix website and get to the dashboard and then click on apps. Okay, so before we begin and go through what the apps can do for your website, I'm just going to talk a little bit about them. So Wix apps can be useful to developing your website further. You can search for an app of your choice in the search bar, or you can go through all of the 316 apps available and choose one. The apps are designed to work efficiently on the website and will not take up too much memory, therefore loading times will not be affected. Some popular Wix apps include Wix Pro Gallery, Wix Stores, Wix Forums, Wix Hit Counter, Wix Video, Wix Timeline, and Wix Get Subscribers. So when one of your primary drivers for your business is your website, it's essential that you make it attractive and accessible to clients. The Wix Website Builder, reviewed by top tool testers, allows you to create a stunning website. But if you need to extend its functionality even further, the Wix App Market is your next stop. With hundreds of apps to add to your site, the Wix App Market caters for many different business types, from social networking applications to marketing tools and analytics. An important thing to remember would be, don't just use one of the apps just because you feel that you need to or it might look good. Only use it if you think you're going to be able to use it effectively. So don't just throw in like a countdown timer just because for the sake of throwing it in. You need to make sure there's a need or a demand for having that app in your website in the first place. So if you were going to add a countdown, maybe you're having a sale, so search for countdown timer, free, add to site, go to editor. So I'm going to put a timer in and just to let my customers know when my sale begins and when it finishes. So click add to site, and there we are. We'll drag it down so it has space. And then above it, I'm going to add a little heading just to say what it is. Just see how that looks. Not too sure why it's saying that. Just double check. So I'm assuming you'd have to upgrade your account to a premium account in order for it to work in its best order. So as most things are with Wix, you do get more limited features if you're on the basic plan. So the best thing you can do is just upgrade to one of the premium plans and you'll get all these apps with their best features. So that's what I'd recommend. Let's just take a look through some of the other apps that you can use. 65 social media apps. So comments you can add to get reviews and feedback on your content. Forums, blogs, your Instagram feed. So your Instagram feed isn't just a link to your Instagram. You actually log into your account on the website, and then it'll display your feed. So when you update your Instagram, it will automatically update on your website. Same with your Twitter feed. If you use this and you log into your Twitter feed, any new tweets you upload will automatically be sent directly to your website, so you won't have to go on and update that part of your website manually. It'll just happen. Live Messenger, so if you have that attached to your website, then people can go onto your website and chat directly with you live. For your online store, information bars, which can be useful. So yeah, there's a lot of social apps you can make use of. We'll go back and take a look at some more. Business tools. So bookings, that can be especially useful. For example, if you're like a small hotel, I'm pretty sure there's an app called Wix Hotels as well, actually, which you can make use of. So Wix Hotels. Wix Hotels is an all-in-one online booking system that will revolutionize your hospitality business. So it takes reservations 24/7, accepts online and offline payments, manage your room types and inventory and reservations, let guests book from anywhere, computer, tablet or smartphone, and no commissions. So look at that, that just gives you a full online booking system. Look at the features and pricing. So with the free package, quick and easy setup, seasonal rates, add additional services, but then you don't get the mobile bookings and online bookings. You don't get calendar updates with the free plan, multilingual support, card payments or mobile app. And the plans for the premium start from £66.94. So it's something to think about. Anyway, we'll go back to what I was saying on the business tools. There's Wix Chat, which is similar to what I was saying earlier with the Messenger. Wix Video, so you can upload all your own video content rather than having to embed YouTube videos. So if you've got your own video content, you can make use of this. You can add a search bar, which will go through your own website and it'll let you know what your audience is searching for. Google Adverts, which is quite useful, help you make some money from your website, although it can sometimes take away from the website if there's constantly adverts coming up. Sometimes customers tend to not like this and they'll bounce off your website and they will bounce off your website, which means they will not stay on for very long. They will click off it and your bounce rate will increase, and that's negative. You don't want that. You want people to stay on your website and click on buttons that are on your website and stay on it for as long as possible. Excuse me. Yeah, so there's just loads and loads of endless possibilities with these business tools that Wix offers you on the Wix App Store. Go back and take a look at some more. So here I have all the free apps here for you. See if you go on and find them, it's got them all grouped together. Plenty of free apps. There's one for restaurants specifically. Again, taking orders, reservations. So there's plenty of apps to make use from, depending on what your business is. So thanks for watching. This has just been a very brief overview of what apps you can use and how you can make use of them. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.